We begin with creating the unicorn horn. This is plainly a composition of cardboards and some styro parts and some glue to stick and glaze. I got the idea from MakeRight999, the effective use of an actual cap to ensure that the headdress can be easily worn. We just need to cut the brim off and start decorating from there. I sprayed the unicorn head with silver. Any paints will do, or you can have the option to use any color, gold perhaps. We use a retasso of a fabric where to put the feathers for the tail. We need to put in more cardboards just behind the unicorn head. This is where we stick all the colorful feathers. You need to be creative in arranging the feathers. Your design, your call. And some beautiful faux flowers too. This is the final look of your own headdress for Sinulog. Wala ko'y pambayad og model, so I used my housemate. That's all folks, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, learn from it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.